Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this simple smoky eye look, and if this seems like something you're interested in, then stick around and keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming with my black opal invisible oil blocking primer, and I'm just going to use this on my T-zones. Is it T-zones or T-zone? I'm already saying nonsense and I just started. Anyways, I'm just going to be using this on the parts that I tend to get oily. This was sent to me from Black Opal a while ago, and I've not really gotten to try this product out yet, so I'm just going to be, trying it out today. And I don't know why I'm using my hand to apply my primer today, but we are just going as the spirit leads. This just feels very hydrating. I don't feel it mattifying anything, and I'm not really bothered about that today because I'm not wearing this makeup anywhere. Moving on, I'm going to be highlighting with my Gleam by Melanie in the shade Deep Gold. I'm going to be going in with my Black Opal foundation stick in Suede Mocha, and I'm going to be using this to even out my acne scars. If you're an OG on my channel, you already know all my makeup steps at this point. So if you're a newbie, welcome on board. This is how we do it right here. I forgot to show you guys the foundation I'm using. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation in deep bronze, and it's been a while since I used this. I abandoned her for a while, but she's back today. So I'm just going to be using my beauty sponge from Sonia Kashuk to blend this out. Look how gorgeous she's melting into the skin. I forgot how amazing this foundation looks, you guys. How gorgeous is that? I'm going to be highlighting with my L'Oreal concealer in Chestnut. I'm going to go back into the under eyes with my Juvia's Place concealer in shade 10, and I'm just going to apply a little bit right here. I'm going to be setting the highlighted areas with my Sacha buttercup setting powder. Going in with my CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony. I'm going to be topping that with a little bit of my Black Radiance contour palette in dark to deep, and I'm just going to slightly tap on this very dark shade here. I'm going to be locking all of that in with my Iman pressed powder in medium to deep. I'm going to be using the same beauty sponge that I used earlier. I like to use my beauty sponge to apply my powder. I've been doing that for a while now. I forgot to contour my nose, so we're going to hold on and move to contouring our nose because our nose has to be snatched as well. How did you forget, sis? Now that is done, we can move on to set the face. Skin work on check. Now we're going to move on to brows, and for my brows I'm going to be using my Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. And now I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Clear Mascara, and I'm not sure that I want to define my brows today. I'm not sure I want to clean them up, sorry, with a concealer. I think I'm okay with this bushy brow look today. We'll see. I'll decide when I'm done applying the Clear Mascara if I'm going to define it or not. I think I like this bushy look that I have going on, so I'm not going to be cleaning it up. I'm just going to go ahead and prep my eyes for my eyeshadow. Going in with the same Juvia's Place concealer that I used earlier. I'm going to be creating a black smoky eye look today. This is going to be super easy, you guys. I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner in Blackest Black, and I'm going to use that as a base for my black eyeshadow. So this is a good hack if you've been struggling with having your black smoky eyes to look as dark as you want. Use a black gel liner as your base and you will have yourself a nice dark smoky eye. So you can make your gel liner as dark as you want it to be. You can layer it more than I already did. It just depends on what you want and how dark you want it to be. But I'm okay with how it looks right now. I'm going to be going into my Nubian by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be going into this shade right here. You guys ignore how dirty this palette is. It just shows that the palette is loved and I've used the life out of this palette. So just ignore. But anyways, I'm going to be using this shade here, and this looks more like a dark brown or a dark gray. I don't know my colors, you guys, but I'm just going to be using that color because we're messing with dark colors, and dark colors can, you know, get messy sometimes. I'm just going to go back into my setting powder and apply a little bit of that under my eyes just in case I have fallouts. Now that that is done, I'm going to go back into the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm going to be using this dark shade right here to just blend the edges of the black that we have going on. And the trick to smoky eyes is just keep blending till you can no longer see like harsh lines, the lines of demarcation, or where you apply the gel liner. So just keep going back and forth so that you can have that smooth and seamless effect. Can you guys see the difference between this one and this one that we've not blended out? So just keep blending till everything seems smooth. So I think we have more eyeshadow on this side than on this side, so I'm just going to go ahead and add more to this side. I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here and furthermore use that to blend that out. I'm barely tapping on that shadow, just slightly, because I feel like it's a bit too dark here. So I'm just using that to brighten this area. I barely tapped on it and I dusted off the excess, and I'm just using that to blend again. So now that that is to my liking, I'm going to go in with another blending brush and I'm going to tap on my setting powder, dust off the excess, and just use that to buff and just try to blend my brow bone area so that place doesn't look too brown, just to brighten up that part right there. I'm going to be applying the same gel liner that I used earlier on my waterline. And I'm just going to smudge that under my eyes too, so that we have the same smoky effect going on underneath. Applying the eyeshadow that we applied on top to under. Pretty much doing the same thing that I did on top underneath. Going in with my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. So my lashes are on, and the lash that I used is from a lash pack that I got off AliExpress a while ago. If I find the link, I'll have it written in my description box. So right now I'm going to be going in with my Milani highlighter in 3, yeah, I think it's 3. And I'm just going to be adding a little bit of highlight to my nose. And I'm going to be applying this shade right here, the same shade I used on my nose, to my tear duct area. For my blush today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. multi-stick in Bronzy. This is my favorite blush at the moment, you guys. Like, for every look, this is my go-to. Now I'm going to be lining with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Protector. I used my Milani lipstick in the shade 69, and then I topped that with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost lip gloss in, what shade is this, 27, and I used a clear lip gloss over that, and that's pretty much it.
Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes, yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the
so hair is on, and who is this girl? Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the family, join the winning team, join the fine people gang. I'm just kidding. Anyways, please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.